Replacing a ball nut on the Onefinity CNC. Never remove the ball nut from the ball screw unless directed to by official Onefinity support. The ball bearings will fall out and render the ball nut unusable. We will start by removing the old ball nut from the ball screw by twisting it counterclockwise until it comes off the end of the ball screw, releasing all of the balls inside. Now with the old ball nut removed, we're ready to install the new one, but don't cut that zip tie off just yet. When we cut and remove the zip tie from inside of the black plastic tubing, we want to make sure that we do not remove the black tubing from the inside of the ball nut. We're going to use this black plastic tubing and slide it over the threaded end of the ball screw. You'll notice that both ends of the screw are threaded, but only one side is threaded all the way to the end, where one side is smooth. We will slide the black tubing over the completely threaded end of the ball screw, then twist clockwise to rotate the ball nut onto the ball screw. Once the ball nut is completely on the ball screw, you are ready to reassemble the screw with the rest of the machine. This completes replacing a ball nut on the Onefinity CNC.